Does looking at a restaurant menu in English make your heart race? Maybe your hand gets sweaty when the waiter walks over. You are not alone. But you are also not stuck pointing at menus and hoping for the best. Today, you will learn exactly what to say to sound calm and confident. No fear, no stress, just great food.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Practical English Today. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. We are so glad you are here. You know, Emily, we talk about a lot of situations in English, but I think today's topic is something everyone worries about.
Oh, I totally agree. Restaurants can be scary. Even when I go to a new place, I feel nervous sometimes.
Right? And if English is not your first language, it can feel even harder. So today, we are going to help you feel ready.
Yes, we're going to practice together. We will imagine we are at a restaurant. I will be the waitress and you will be the customer, Paul.
Perfect. So I am hungry. Let's eat.
Okay, so the first moment, you walk into the restaurant, the host or the server comes to you. What do you say?
In the past, I just said table for two.
That is fine. It is simple, but we want to sound polite and confident, right? So let's try a softer phrase.
Okay, I would like a table for two, please.
Yes, that is perfect. See the difference? I would like is very polite. It is not aggressive. It is clear. Can you repeat that?
I would like a table for two, please.
Beautiful. And if you have a reservation?
Oh, good question. I have a reservation under Paul.
Yes. Or you can say, I have a reservation for 7 o'clock. Or I have a reservation for 2. Always add the please when you can.
Please is magic. It makes everything softer.
Exactly. Okay, so now we're sitting down. The waiter comes over. This is the big moment. We have to look at the menu. Paul, what is your biggest fear when you look at a menu?
I think not knowing what's in the food. Like sometimes the name sounds fancy, but I don't know if it has meat or nuts or something.
Yes, that is menu anxiety. You are not alone. So how do we fix that? What question can you ask?
I can say, what is in this dish?
Good, but let's make it more specific. For example, if you are allergic to something, you must be very clear.
Oh, right. So maybe, does this dish contain nuts?
Perfect. Repeat that.
Does this dish contain nuts?
Yes. Or does this soup have milk? Or does the sauce contain egg? It is a very useful question. It sounds professional and direct.
That makes sense. And if I'm not allergic, but I just don't like something?
Then you can customize it. But first, let's talk about getting the server's attention. Sometimes you need to ask a question, but the server is busy. How do you call them?
In some countries, people snap or whistle, but that feels rude.
It is rude, usually. So in English, we just say, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Yes, it is soft. You can raise your hand a little. Excuse me, I have a question. The server will come.
Excuse me, I have a question. Okay, I can do that.
Great. So now let's practice a full order. I am the server. You are the customer. You already have the menu. Go ahead.
Okay. Excuse me, I think I'm ready to order.
Of course. What would you like?
I would like the grilled chicken, please.
Great choice. And for the side?
Oh, the menu says it comes with fries, but can I switch the fries for a salad?
Excellent question. Yes, you can say, can I switch the fries for a salad? Or can I substitute the fries? Most restaurants are fine with that.
Can I switch the fries for a salad?
Perfect. And if you want something on the side?
Like sauce?
Yes. For example, can I have the dressing on the side?
Oh, I use that one a lot. Can I have the dressing on the side?
Yes, that means the sauce is in a small bowl, not on the salad, so the salad stays fresh.
That makes sense. Okay, I want that. And one more thing. The dish says it has onions. I don't really like onions. Can I say no onions, please?
Yes, you can say, no onions for me, please, or can I have this without onions?
No onions for me, please. Simple.
Very simple, and the server will understand. So now you ordered, the food comes, it looks delicious, but wait, you realize something.
What?
Maybe the dish is very big, maybe it's for sharing, but you're alone, so you want to check.
Oh, I see. So I can ask, is this dish meant for sharing?
Yes, or is this a large portion, or does this come as a sharing plate? That's very useful, especially in some restaurants where the food is family style.
Is this dish meant for sharing? Okay, I will remember that.
Good. Now let's make a little mistake, a funny moment. You're eating and suddenly,
Wait, what is this?
what happened?
I asked for no onions, but I think there are onions in this.
Oh no. Okay, this happens. It's not your fault. Maybe the server forgot. What do you say?
I feel bad complaining.
I know, it feels uncomfortable, but you can be polite. You can say, "Excuse me, I think I asked for this without onions."
Excuse me, I think I asked for this without onions.
Yes, that is not angry, it's just honest. The server will say, "Oh, I'm so sorry, let me fix that." It's okay to ask.
Okay, that makes me feel better, so I just explain nicely.
Exactly. You're not yelling, you're just reminding them it happens all the time.
Okay, good. So now the food was great, no onions this time. I'm full, I'm happy. Now I need to leave. But how do I get the check?
Great question. In the US, we usually say, "Check please," or "Can I have the check?"
Can I have the check, please?
Yes, in the UK they say bill, but in the US, check is more common. You can also say, "Could we have the bill?" That's polite too.
Could we have the check, please?
Perfect. Now the server brings the check, you look at it, you see the total, but sometimes you're confused. Maybe the service charge is already included.
Oh, yes, I always wonder about tip. In my country, tip is not required, but in the US, it's different.
Right. So you can always ask, is tip included in this or is service included?
Is tip included?
Yes, very simple. The server will say yes or no. Then you know what to do.
That is so helpful. I usually just guess, but now I can ask clearly.
Yes, always ask if you're unsure. It's better than guessing wrong.
Okay, so let me try a full ending. Excuse me, could we have the check, please?
Sure, I'll bring it right over.
Thank you. And, is tip included in this?
No, tip is not included, but you can add it at the bottom.
Okay, thank you for explaining.
Of course, have a great night.
Thank you, and thank you for the wonderful meal. Everything was perfect.
That was so nice. You did amazing, Paul.
I feel like I can actually do this now. It's not about knowing every word, it's about knowing the right questions.
Exactly, and you practiced all of them today. You asked for a table, you customized your food, you fixed a mistake, you asked about the tip, you said thank you.
I used I would like, could I have, does this contain, no onions for me. These phrases are so simple, but they change everything.
They do, and now you have them. You don't need to memorize a long script. You just need these small, powerful sentences.
So here's our challenge for you.
Yes, we want you to practice. Maybe you're going to a restaurant this week. Maybe you're just practicing at home. Pick one phrase from today.
Just one, and say it out loud. Maybe, can I switch the fries for a salad? Or is tip included?
Write it in the comments. Tell us what is one food you always ask to change. For me, I always say, "No cilantro, please. I cannot eat it."
Really? I love cilantro, but for me, it's no spicy, please. My mouth cannot handle it.
See, everyone has something. So tell us in the comments, what is your no blank for me, please?
We read all your comments. We love to see you practicing.
And if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It helps other learners find us too.
Yes, and subscribe to Practical English Today if you want more conversations like this. We are here every week.
We want you to feel confident, not just in restaurants, but in real life. You can do this.
Yes, you can. Remember, it's not about perfect grammar. It's about communicating. It's about trying.
And now I'm hungry. Let's go eat.
Good idea. But this time, you're paying.
Hey, that was not part of the script.
See you next time, everyone. Bye.
Fine, bye for now.